The third subdivision says that the taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with a charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 105, and for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is 155. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km? So, this is how the taxi works. Whenever you step inside to the taxi, you have to pay a fixed charge, like 50 rupees, like they charge. After that, for each distance covered, how much kilometer covered, for each kilometer they charge one fixed charge. For each kilometer, 10 rupees, like they'll cover. Okay. So, here, two kinds of charge. One is fixed charge, and another one is distance per kilometer. Okay. Those things are unknown here, as per the question. Together with the charge for the distance covered. So here, let rupees X be the fixed charge. And rupees Y be the charge per kilometer. Okay. So it says that for a journey of 10 kilometers, it's given that we have to pay X rupees when we step inside the taxi itself, and for each kilometer 10 rupees. How much kilometer we covered? 10 kilometers. So 10Y. It costs together 105 rupees. And next, for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is rupees 155. So, the same way for 15 km, X is the fixed charge. After that, we travelled for 15 km. 1 km means Y rupees. Then 15 km means 15 times Y rupees we have to pay. Together it is 155. That is equation 1, equation 2. There is our equations 1 and 2. So, okay, we have to solve this by substitution method as described. How to solve by this substitution? Can you able to solve this with me? We'll see whether we arrive at the same answer or not. Okay. So, the value of X is, from the equation 1, the value of X is 105 minus 10Y. So, substitute then 2, then 105 minus 10Y plus 15Y equals 155. Now simplify this. We have 5Y is equals to 155 minus 105. So which is 50. 5Y is 50. So Y value is equals rupees 10. Last we will put rupees. Y is equals 10. Then X we have 105 minus 10Y. It is 105 minus 10 into Y value 10, which is 105 minus 100, it is 5. So therefore, the fixed charge is rupees 5 and charge per kilometer or charge for distance covered is rupees 10. See, this is a two questions type. Like in one question itself, we have to say two answers. This is one part of the answer. The other part of answer is how much we have to pay for 25 kilometers. As per the context, X rupees we have to pay as a fixed charge and 25Y. We have to find the value of this one. X is 5 rupees we found and 25 into Y is 10. So we have 5 plus 250, that is equals rupees 255. At last, therefore, for 25 km, we have to pay rupees 255 rupees. Rupees 255. That is it. Any doubts in this? When you see this type of question in the examination and all, it is natural that you can be satisfied with this answer itself, because usually we found x and y. Once you find x and y, we wrote the therefore statement, we think that the question is ended. So to avoid that confusion, whenever you see this question, simply you put a alert check near to the question. Alert check means a small symbol near to that question. You alone can see that, like you just put an alert check. At last there will be full stop will be there, right, in the exam question paper. Make the full stop as comma, or else put two more full stop like that. Like in your own way, but invisible way, make one alert check to make you alert. Okay. Otherwise, you may lose this. For that, they'll give 1 marks maximum. Okay. Finished writing?